Bonnie. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make like a special reading corner place to read all your awesome books. Like, I've got a whole bookshelf here. Wow. So seriously, I need somewhere special to read them. And my bed's kind of covered in soft toys. So it's kind of hard to read there. Unless you get taken over by soft toys. So yeah, let's get on to it. So you're going to need like 6 rocks. To take a long time to pick up 6 rocks. Like small ones that are quite heavy, like this big roundabout. And 1 big rock. It doesn't matter what type of rock it is. Like just any rocks. Some sort of blankety sheet thing. I've got a beautiful blue one, like the ocean. You can have a pillow if you want. You don't really need one. You're going to need some paper and pens. I've got mine over there, so yeah. And yeah. Oh, also, you'll need to, like, something to put your sheet on. I can't even touch it. I'm looking at you guys. It distracts me. Okay, let's move on to it. First thing is easy peasy. You just need to write, like, your name, then reading corner. Like, my name's Bonnie, obviously, so I wrote Bonnie's reading corner and drew a wee book. But you can do how you want and get creative. Also, you can see those little shadows. They're bits of blue tack. You need blue tack to stick it to the wall. Yeah, you need to stick it to the wall. So, yeah, I forgot to say you need a wall too. So, you're just going to put it down, not too high up, and stick it to the wall once you've put the blue tack. Like, one here, and one here. Okay? Next, let's start making the actual hut. Okay? So I'm going to go back over here. And I'm going to put my oceany blue cloth on here. I'm going to need the 3 rocks. So I'm just putting my oceany blue cloth on my desk. Then putting 3 rocks on it so that it doesn't fall down. Yeah. So I've got 3 rocks here. You probably can't see, but I have. And then you're going to grab your other 3 rocks, put them on your other space, somewhere near so it doesn't take long. Then you're going to put the other side up. Do like the exact same way. Like, I wish I had a desk because all these books are kind of going everywhere when I do this. So there you have it. Whoa! I nearly forgot about the big rock and my cushion. Of course, you need this. I'm going to just place my cushion inside to make it nice and comfy. You can't actually see, but I did. I keep saying I did. I'm sorry. And I'm going to grab a book to show you an example. So you're going to lean your book against the wall. Then, say you're reading this part. I'm going to put this one here. And it should stand up. Like the big rock's going to be here. And this part I'm going to be able to read. The rock needs to be quite heavy to hold it up. And then when I'm done reading that side, I put it on here so I can read this side. Okay? So easy peasy. I hope you enjoy having heaps of reading. It would be lovely if you sent me some pictures of how your reading corner turned out. And yeah. So I'll see you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.